Welcome to our channel. There's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-warmed strawberry, freshly picked from your own garden. It's one of life's simplest pleasures, and today we're going to show you how to experience that joy right at home, whether you have a large garden or a sunny windowsill. Growing your own strawberries is a rewarding endeavor. Over the next few minutes, we'll guide you through each step of the process, from selecting the right variety to harvesting those juicy scarlet gems. So let's get started, and before you know it, you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor. Now, the first step on our strawberry growing journey is choosing the right variety. And believe me, there's a whole world of strawberries out there. For those of you who like a good old-fashioned summer crop, June-bearing varieties are your best bet. They fruit for a few weeks in June, giving you a lovely bounty all at once. Perfect for jamming. Then we have the ever-bearing varieties. These beauties produce fruit throughout the spring and fall, meaning you get to enjoy fresh strawberries for months on end. Finally, we have the day-neutral strawberries. As their name suggests, they're not fussy about daylight hours and will happily produce fruit all summer long, given the right conditions. When making your choice, think about your local climate, the space you have available, and of course, your own personal preference. Don't be afraid to experiment and try a few different varieties to see what thrives in your garden. After all, variety is the spice of life, and in this case, the sweetness of your strawberries. Strawberries, like all good things in life, need a good foundation. That's where preparing your soil comes in. These little plants love well-drained soil that's rich in organic matter, so it's important to give them the best possible start. Now, if your soil is heavy clay or very sandy, don't despair. We can improve it. Adding plenty of well-rotted manure or compost is like giving your soil a good, hearty meal. It adds essential nutrients and improves drainage, creating a happy home for your strawberry plants. Think of it as creating a fluffy, fertile bed for your strawberries to nestle into. Now comes the exciting part, planting your strawberries. Early spring is the ideal time to get them in the ground, just as the soil is starting to warm up. When you're ready to plant, space your strawberry plants about 18 inches apart. This gives them plenty of room to grow and spread their roots. And here's a little tip: make sure the crown of the plant, that's the bit where the roots meet the leaves, is level with the soil. Planting too deep or too shallow can hinder their growth. Once your strawberry plants are nestled in their new home, give them a good watering in. This helps settle the soil around the roots and encourages them to establish themselves. Watering is crucial for healthy, productive strawberry plants. But remember, it's all about balance. Strawberries like consistently moist soil, but they don't want to be waterlogged. A good soak once a week is usually sufficient, but you might need to water more frequently during hot, dry spells. To check if your plants need a drink, simply stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry an inch or so down, it's time to water. Now, here's a handy tip to conserve moisture and keep those roots cool. Mulch around your plants. A layer of straw, bark chippings, or even shredded leaves will do the trick. As your strawberry plants grow and flourish, they'll reward you with the sight of delicate white blossoms, followed by the emergence of those little green berries. And then the moment you've been waiting for arrives. Those berries will start to turn a glorious, vibrant red, signaling that they're ripe for the picking. The best time to harvest your strawberries is in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the sun gets too hot. And here's the best part: eat a few straight away. There's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-warmed strawberry, eaten fresh from the plant. Of course, you'll want to save some for later. Strawberries are incredibly versatile, perfect for jams, pies, desserts, or simply enjoyed with a dollop of cream. Well, there you have it. Everything you need to know to grow your own delicious strawberries at home. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a race. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your experiences, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening adventures. And be sure to share your strawberry growing successes with us in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!